bike.
Wait a minute. What are we doing? Look at the camera.
I'm practicing my bike.
Nice. Get up. All right, let's try that again. Ready?
No, wait.
Get up. Pedal. Pedal hard. Straighten it out. Pedal and turn. Pedal and turn. Pedal. That was better. You're doing great. But when you turn, you got to look where you're going. You look at me and you're going to fall. Right? You notice that? Don't look at me. All right, one more time. You're doing great. Ready? Get on the pedals. All right, turn left, Joe. Keep pedaling. Good job. There you go. Slow, nice and easy. Look where you're going. Look where you're going. Turn right, Joe. Keep pedaling and look where you're going. Keep turning. That's enough for today. Look at that. Look at that, bud. Come over here. Come here. Stop jumping. High five. Great job, buddy. All right.